Hello guys, this is your Raja back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM of your PC without any problem. So without any delay, let's get the video started. Before starting, I'm showing you my set. This is my PC and this is my screw set to open the CPU, and this is my RAM which I have ordered from Amazon. So let's open it. See, this is my screws. In this, I'm going to take this and I keep it aside. First, the thing you have to do is that you have to open these two screws. And next is the second screw. Keep this aside, and now just slide it and you take it, it will come. See, keep it aside. So this is a box. We have to upgrade our RAM under this. So first we need to open this hard disk, and before opening this hard disk we have to open this clip. So in order to open the clip, just simply turn this out, keep it in the open box, just open it like this. See, it came. So we had removed this, keep it aside. Now first remove the hard disk. So in order to remove the hard disk, there are two screws, this screw 1 and this screw 2. So let's remove it. Keep the screws aside. So in order to remove the hard disk, just flip it like this and you open it. It will come and you place it that side. Next we have to remove this tray. We have to keep the RAM under this tray, so we have to remove this. In order to remove this, there's one screw here where it's gone. Yeah, you see here there's one screw, and we have to open that screw. Keep it aside. See, if you observe here, there will be one clip here. You push the clip and you slide it, this tray will come. This is the CD disc. Okay, keep it aside. So if you observe, this is our existing RAM. Okay, one side I will turn on the light. This is our existing RAM, and in this new slot we have to keep our newly purchased RAM. See, this is 4 GB RAM. Now I am adding 8 GB to it, so total it will be 12 GB. So without any delay, let's install our RAM. Let's open it first. See, I have opened the RAM. See, one small tip is that while you're purchasing the upgraded RAM, try to purchase the RAM from the same company. Don't go for another company. If not, then the second thing is that try to purchase the RAM with the same variant, that is the DDR4 or DDR3, like that. And main thing is that keep the speed in mind. See, this RAM is 2400 megahertz speed, so I purchased the same speed RAM so that it will not be any problem while running the CPU. If you purchase more speed RAM, see, this is 2400 megahertz speed RAM. So if I purchase a 3200 megahertz RAM, this RAM speed will be reduced to 2400 megahertz, and it will run at a speed of 2400 megahertz. So in order to remove that confusion. Purchase the RAM with the same speed and mainly same company. So let's install it. If you observe here, there is one pin, and here also you will see one pin. See, this pin should be get attached with this pin. Okay, so simply just install it. See, and after keeping it, you must keep a pressure so that the clips will be get attached. See, the clips got automatically attached. Now you observe, I think clips got automatic. So we have successfully installed our RAM. So after installing, again normal, place the things as usual. Begin with the screw. Now place the hard disk. Slowly, be careful while placing the hard disk. Check the connections, okay? Tighten the screws. So with this we are done. The next step is that we have to attach this clip. The click sound indicates that this got fitted perfectly. So at last we have to attach this. Okay, place it perfectly and just slide it like this. Okay, turn around and attach the screws. So with this guys, we have completed installing the upgraded RAM. So if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe button and share the video to your friends. Thank you. This is Railaja signing off. I'll back with another video. Bye bye.